Did you know that dash cams are no longer just for insurance protection? With models like the BlackVue DR590X-1CH Plus, you're not only getting security, but a high-tech solution to monitor your ride, whether you're on the road or parked. This dashcam promises full HD video, seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced features that could make you rethink what you expect from a car camera. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The BlackVue DR590X-1CH Plus is designed with a range of features meant to improve your driving experience and enhance security. Its 9x20 by 1080 Full HD resolution at 60 frames per second ensures clear image quality during the day and night, thanks to its Starvis imaging sensor. The wide 139-degree viewing angle captures more of the road, reducing blind spots. It's a simple yet powerful solution for those who want high-quality footage without complex setup. This model also comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, which lets you easily connect to the BlackVue app. From there, you can adjust settings, check the live feed, and transfer footage to your device. The dashcam has an external GPS receiver, making it perfect for tracking your exact location and speed data on video. For added peace of mind, the dashcam includes a native parking mode, switching on automatically when you turn off your ignition. With the hard wiring cable included, you can wire it directly to your vehicle's fuse panel for uninterrupted surveillance. The setup is streamlined and user-friendly, especially if you're installing it with the optional GPS or LTE combo module via its USB port. Plus, the BlackVue app, available for both iOS and Android, allows for easy management of videos, letting you download footage and manage settings on the go. Let's break it down into pros and cons. Pros: impressive video quality. Full HD 60 FPS with Starvis sensor ensures crisp, detailed footage in both day and night conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS offers seamless connectivity for real-time viewing, easy management, and geolocation data. Native parking mode, automatic activation when the vehicle ignition is off, provides added security with customizable settings for voltage cutoff and timer. User-friendly, the BlackVue app makes it easy to manage, adjust, and view videos from your mobile device. Cons: installation can be involved. While the hard wiring kit is included, the process might be challenging for those without technical expertise. Price: at a premium price point, it may not be the best choice for those looking for a budget option. No rear camera. The single-channel version does not come with a rear camera, limiting coverage. When it comes to value for money, the BlackVue DR590X-1CH Plus sits at the higher end of the dashcam spectrum, but you're paying for solid features, excellent video quality, and the added confidence that comes with its reliability. If you need a no-fuss setup and can live without the rear camera, it's a solid choice. Comparing it to competitors, the DR590X-1CH Plus stacks up well against models like the ThinkWare Q800 Pro, which also offers solid video quality but lacks the same app integration and parking mode flexibility. If you're looking for a fully integrated, high-quality experience, the BlackVue might be your go-to. This dashcam is ideal for anyone looking for top-tier security features with minimal effort, making it a great option for those who commute daily or frequently park in high-risk areas. It's not meant for performance drivers or those seeking extensive coverage with multiple cameras, but for general users, it offers peace of mind and strong performance. So, is the BlackVue DR590X-1CH Plus the right choice for you? If you value clear video quality, easy app management, and reliable parking monitoring, this is one of the stronger options in its class. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or want a rear camera included, there are alternatives to consider. If this breakdown was helpful and you're ready to make an informed choice, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated with all the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Check out the product link in the comments to get yours today. And remember, keep your ride automated.